Good. What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury hustle mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? See my little heat, my little light setup. I'm working on it. I'm working on a little light setup there, man. A little something I'm working on. What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury hustle mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, I wanted to take some time out to shoot this video today. I've actually been home again with my daughter. Today we actually decided to go to the ER just to kind of make sure nothing was going on. And come to find out, she had 2 ear infections as well. So we had to go and get some what they call amoxicillin. Had to get some ear little ointment as well because ruptured her ear, some stuff like that. She was saying that I got to do some drops on, but I'm blessed to be able to be there. I'm blessed to be able to go do it. And also, guys, I'm blessed to be able to make commissions in the same time, guys, from marketing systems all the way down to $250 commissions that I have been making and actually been having the pleasure of shooting videos about as well. So if you guys have been kind of watching a lot of my recent videos, I've actually been talking about a program that's been allowing me to earn an additional $250 per sale. So per sign up, pretty much, guys. So, it's no reoccurring monthly fees that I have to pay. I don't have to pay any admin fees or anything like that. So I just kind of jumped in. I wanted to test it out to see how everything worked. And I jumped in, guys. I didn't build a sales funnel or anything around it. I just kind of utilized what they had because everything truly is done for you. From the marketing system all the way down to the email swipes, to the classified swipes. Literally everything's for you. And that's why I decided to jump in something like this, because I deal with a lot of new people when it comes to making money online. So I like to have things set up for them. And this system is designed for that. The community itself, that's one of the main things that you want to have when you're bringing people into a business. You want to have a nice system. You also want to have the community there so people feel that way they're not in this alone. One of the owners, the actual creator of the system, Tammy Montgomery, she is very excellent in the group as far as responding with people. If you have questions, any information, things like that you feel that you wanted to ask, they definitely take care of that information, guys. I mean, I was asking questions on one of the Zooms, and she was on it just kind of answering questions for me. So I'm with things like that, and I'm about bringing people into things like that as well, because I know it's going to help them in the long run. I like to bring you in something that's going to pretty much teach you something. There's a lot of things out here saying, oh, you can make money by being involved in this. Sign up. But no one is telling you what they're doing. No one's telling you, saying, hey, I wanted to show you a way that I'm getting leads. So also when you join this business, I'm going to give you these strategies that you're going to need to join this business, guys. I don't know what I did with my remote control. Here we go. Turn this down a little bit. Watching Black Panther. Told you guys I'm a Marvel head. But these are the programs I like to be involved in because I like to help people. I like for people to know exactly what they're doing. See, people can join Flavor of the Week, but they're not telling you or pulling the curtain back to say, this is what I'm doing to bring people in. This is what I'm doing to get leads into my business. So if you're not helping people do that, then it's just a sign-up game for you. I don't believe in things like that. I believe in programs that are helping you. Now, you do have to help yourself, and that is by plugging in. That is by going through the trainings. And if someone is offering you additional trainings, free training as well, you want to take that. You don't want to sit here and sit on your hands and then say, hey, I'm quitting, or I don't know what to do, when they're literally giving you everything to do. Get my focus together. When they're literally giving you everything to do, from what to the swipes for the day, or someone's telling you to shoot videos, or they're telling you to be a great copycat. If you see that someone is that you like, and someone is inspiring you, then copy their flow. Copy their flow, literally. Don't copy. The thing about marketing is being a good copycat, but you want to copycat a good person. Don't actually just copy them, but mimic them. Be the best. You can be a great you, but just take that style and make it and dress it up as your own. There's a lot of marketers that I admire, but also there's things that I felt that people were missing when I was new. I said, you know what? I don't want to be that type of marketer. So I want people to be able to reach out to me. If you join me and you don't reach out to me, that is not my fault. That is not my fault, because I give you information to reach out to me. If you don't decide you want to reach out to me, if you don't want to shoot videos, that's completely fine. I don't mind that, you know, but don't come to me and say things are not working when you're not shooting videos, when you're not posting daily, when you're not buying solo ads, or if you're not buying, you're not doing Facebook ads, or, you know, you're not doing any of that. Craigslist is $5 a day that you can create ads, and we teach you how to do that. I've actually put up a training the other day showing you guys how I did a $5 ad, and then I funneled all the leads into a text message software where they are commenting a specific keyword, and then when they're commenting on that, when they're sending that message, my text message autoresponder is sending some right back to the link of my program. So I'm hands off. Only thing I need to do is just tap in to make sure everything is working, but I'm hands off. And I show you how to do that, how to get many leads in. But then also once I get them in, then I can go through and I can funnel through and reach out to people and say, hey, you know, this is Jay. I seen that, you know, you were checking out the information. You know, you had more info regarding that. That's something that I can do. Okay? So here's the thing, guys. This $250 program is literally everything is done for you. So if you don't have a marketing system, that's cool. You know, I have marketing systems in place that you can check out, which allows you to build your own list. Now, here's the thing is that when you get an opt-in, they notify you and say, hey, you do have a lead. That lead goes into whatever, you know, you have a Gmail. So you are locking in your leads. But if you have an autoresponder of your own, you're able to send broadcast messages out yourself. So not only with the, you know, if they send 5 messages out for you and that's it, then guess what? Now you're losing the opportunity to keep marketing to them. So you may have another program that they didn't like. I mean, since they didn't join this one, that you can keep marketing to them about. So that's why it's very important to have your own list, guys. As I mentioned, I've been trying to work on one, but I have had a sick 6-month-old. So I have not been able to do it, but I'm promising you, if you're involved in TCP or Builderall and Fearless Momma, I will have something done up for us, guys. Trust me. And believe me, I will, guys. So by the end of this week, by Sunday, please give me the Sunday. It won't be a Chiefs game because we play the Chargers tonight. So everything's gonna be, I'm gonna be busy tonight watching. I might try to throw something together while the game is on, but I wanted to just let you guys know I will be working on something. Okay, so you know, if you're in Fearless Momma and you're watching this and you're also in TCP and you don't know how to build pages, you suck at it. I build decent pages, okay, and I'll let you guys know when I got one up, and I'm that dude. I'll give you one, so I'm not gonna know you're getting my codes. I put together funnels where I'm giving you the code right away. You just go through it. So the goal is to help people, and I want to talk about programs that are going to help you. You know, I'm not hiding behind a camera. That's not me. I'm out here. This is me in the flesh. I'm showing you my house. I showed you my little color light scheme that I'm working on right now for the family, because I want them to have like an entertainment type of little deal, man, in the front room. And you know, I got it downstairs as well, but the downstairs is like my workout. And what I'm about to do here, like about a year, we're gonna be moving, so we're gonna be getting a bigger house, because my daughter will be 1, and Princess got to have her own stuff, man. And you know, right now I got my office, and I had to give up my office, man. So I said, you know what? We're blessed household. We'll just get us a new crib, you know, and I can go ahead and have my office. She can have her house. I can have my downstairs, my basement, my finished basement. I mean, literally can have everything that I want. So right now, you know, we've been kind of cool with what we had because we had just the boys, but now we have a new little baby, but God has blessed us a little more, so we're able to do things, and I'm okay with that. All right, so guys, position yourself where you can be okay. Position yourself where you can be able to make moves. How would it feel to be able to make $250 a day? Think about it. If you were to make $250 a day, that's 1 sale a day, right? And you get 5 days out the week that you want to do this, right? $250 a day. You add it up. You do the math. Or you make 2 sales a day. That's $500, guys. So think about people that make $500 a day. Would that help you and your family out? I mean, that's some good money, man. That can definitely help you, and we're going to put together and show you how to do it. So when they say make $250 within 72 hours, we're literally showing you how to do that. You just have to tap into training, guys. So if you're interested, and if you ever felt that, hey, you know, I want to check it out, see if it's real. Yes, it is real. It's a real program. Guys, a lot of people are being welcome. If you want to check out my previous video that I've done about Fearless Mommas, well, not Fearless Mommas, but Fearless Momma, just check it out, guys. I've showed you the back office of the team, you know, of the group, just showing you people being welcome literally every day, all day. 250. You can be a part of that. You don't matter if you don't have friends. Don't matter if you don't have family that believe. We show you how to bypass all those people. I don't even talk to family and friends no more. When they ask me what I'm doing, I say I explain it to them, but then I say, no, it may be a little too hard for you. And you guys know for a fact, I'll say it's not hard. It's just different. I literally say that all the time, but when it comes to family, it's hard. You don't want to do it because family feels obligated. So we don't even chase them. We don't even tell them. We don't chase nobody, honestly. You know, we shoot videos. We title our videos. And I hope you guys are listening. We title our videos things that people would be searching for. So it's a quick little bonus that I want to give you guys so you can watch my video. Whenever you're typing in something, so let's just say Fearless Momma, the Fearless Momma. You might have things that'll pop up there to say the Fearless Momma Scam, the Fearless Momma Review, the Fearless Momma Compensation Plan, things like that. And guess what? These are things you want to title your video, okay? And you want to sprinkle a lot of that title through your description, okay? You want your tags to also show within that niche and that also what you're talking about. Here's another thing, hashtag in your description, so that way you can get the hashtags up, so when people are looking for things, it's going to be in searches and results, okay? You guys, sorry guys, I had my phone ringing, people knocking on the door, mailman, but pretty much, guys, I just wanted to let you know that these things are possible, okay? You know, everything is done for you. I mean, the nuggets I've just given you, you know, that's something because I want people to succeed. So, you know, I shoot videos. It's a good system for you to use, especially if you want to talk. You know, there are people looking to make money online. You just got to find them. You got to tap in. All right, guys, so I'm going to wrap this video on up. I got a sick little baby upstairs, so I got to go check on her and make sure she's good. It's all over the place right now. So guys, get involved in the 250 program, man. 2019 is around the corner. A lot of people gonna be saying, hey, I'm looking to make new money, I'm looking to work out, I'm looking to whatever. You know, we're already gonna put you in something good. You're gonna be positioned at a good level. So this your boy Jay. Hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day.